Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the AI pair programming tool Aider with Ollama locally and privately. We will be using Llama 3.1 70 billion model with Ollama, and then we will integrate it with Aider. Aider enables you to do pair programming with your large language models. So with the help of it, you can not only create code, you can edit code, and you can take the help of LLM to make sure that your code is optimized and following the best practices. You can integrate Aider within any existing GitHub repo, or you could even just start a new project. There are a lot of features which are provided by Aider. For example, it can help you add new features, it tracks your changes in your GitHub repo. Plus, you can also describe a bug with it. It can also enable you to refactor the code and even fix the code by identifying the bug. Also, you can do the documentation of your code with it. And this is one of the feature I really like about all of these pair programming tools. You can edit your files on the fly with the help of Aider to complete your request, and you can also ask the Aider to do the git commit, and it commits your changes with a representative and sensible commit messages. If you have developed any big software and you routinely commit, you know that how big that utility is, because sometimes it becomes harder to come up with a good sensible commit message than to actually fixing the bug. Aider also works with a lot of languages, including Python, JavaScript, TypeScript, PHP, HTML, CSS, and many more. Aider works really good with API-based models like GPT-4o, Anthropic's Claude, Sonnet, but but for the purpose of this video, we are going to use it with Llama 3.1 70 billion one. Aider can also edit multiple files at once for complex requests, and Aider uses a map of your entire Git repo, which helps it works well in a larger code bases. You can even add images to your chat, but you would need GPT-4 or Claude for it. And same goes for the URLs, and you can even use your voice to code. Okay, so that's enough introduction. Let's go and try to get this thing installed on our local system. Before I do that, let me give a huge shout out to Massed Compute, who are sponsoring the VM and GPU for this video. If you're looking to rent a GPU on affordable prices, I will drop the link to their website in video's description. Plus, you will also get a coupon code of 50% discount on a range of GPUs. And if you don't know what Ollama is one of the easiest and fastest tool to run large language models locally in quantized format. Let me take you to my Ubuntu system. So this is where I am running Ubuntu 22.04, and I am using NVIDIA RTX A6000 GPU card with 48 GB of VRAM, and that enables me to run this 70 billion model, which is Llama 3.1, and the size is around 40 gig or 39 GB. I just downloaded it, so I already have it running. And again, if you don't know how to install Ollama and run this model, please search my channel. I have done heaps of videos, very simple. So for example, if you just want to download a model, just do Ollama pull and this model's name with the tag, and it is going to download it. And installation is also fairly simple, just one command, which you can get it from their website. Okay, so we have our Ollama installed, we have our model also running. Let me clear the screen. I'm just going to create a dummy directory called as Aider code or whatever you want to call it. Let's cd into it to keep everything there. And now let's install the Aider. The command is very simple: python-m pip install aiderchat, and of course you would need to install Python beforehand. But if you're running Ubuntu, it should already be there. So let me run it. It is going to install it. Shouldn't take too long. Let's wait for it. And Aider chat is installed now. It also gave me these warnings about that this is not on the path. So what I have done is, as you can see, I have just added it to my bash shell, and then I have sourced it to get it activated. And then this is just my local system, so you don't have to worry about it. I just deactivated the base one, because when you bounce the shell, it just gets the conda environment gets activated. Okay, so all is good. Let me clear the screen. So now our Adder chat is installed. Next up, we need to set the Ollama's API base because it's an API base. So I'm running it on localhost at the IP 127.0.0.1 and port is again default one 11434, and that is all we needed to do. And now in order to run the Adder within this directory of code on your with Ollama model, all you need to do is to run this Adder dash dash model Ollama slash whatever model is present on your local system. So once you run it, it is saying that um, there is no Git repo because I didn't create anyone. So you just select Y, it added to there, and there you go. So now you can just start chatting with it. Okay, so I have fixed one thing. You see, now instead of just Llama 3, I have given Llama 3.170 billion because earlier I had just given Llama 3. And then because it is not aware of Llama 3.1 model as of yet, so it is asking me what do I mean by that, and then it has automatically selected the 3.170 billion one. Okay, now you can start chatting with it. For example, you can ask that make a program that asks for a number and prints its factorial. And there you go, you can see that it has created this program here. Not the program, it has just given us a synopsis now where it is going step by step to say that okay, to make a program that asks for a number, and then it is going down, and this is where it has created that script. Now it is asking me that am I okay to create the file, just it automatically puts y there. That is great, and you can see that it has created it. Now you can do more, like you can say um, can you also make sure that you include some documentation in the script. There you go, so it has included the documentation. How good is that? And then you can just type anything you like. Okay, now make sure that it also handles all the exceptions. There you go. You see, it is just running it, and how quick is that? And another cool thing is that it is also telling you how many tokens is sent and used, both input and input output one. And then also you can undo and discard the each Adder commit. Also, this is the one I was referring to earlier, that it gives you a proper commit message here too. Now, if I just press Ctrl C and exit from here, and then let me clear the screen, and if I do ls-ltr, you will see that this is our factorial which it has created. There you go. Awesome stuff. So exception handling is there, documentation is there. There you go. How beautiful is that? So pair programming with Adder using local models, all free, all local, private. This is how easy it is. And now you know how to get this installed and start working with it. I will be making more videos on it where we'll be doing some more serious programming. But if you are looking to get started, this is your chance here. So that's it, guys, and I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know what do you think. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thanks for watching.